What's going on, y'all? Today I'm gonna start probably a short video, but I'm gonna be basically replacing both the speakers on each side, and then I'll probably go to Best Buy or an audio shop to get the back speakers and then the back sub as well. But I might make a part 1 and part 2 of this video. This one's gonna be a quick video, but I'll show y'all basically how to take off the panel and get to the actual speaker, because it's not like just going straight through here. You have to take the whole door panel off, but I'll basically be showing y'all how to do all that on each side. All right, y'all, so I started with the Lexus tool. I just popped this up, and then you can slide it out after this, and then I'm gonna unplug it real quick. All right, so I got it unplugged, and then there's a regular Phillips screw behind this I'm gonna take out real quick. All right, got that screw out, and then there's another one right behind here in the little air vent. I'm gonna take that one out as well. All right, got that one out. Y'all can see it in there, and there's a little hidden one right under here, under this piece. Gonna go ahead and take that one out. All right, so after we got these 3 screws out, there should be 3 more across the whole bottom panel. Let's see if I can see them. Oh yeah, there's 1, 2, the third one's over there. Yeah, might take those out. All right, so apparently I was wrong. You have to pop this out for the 4th screw up top, but I got the 3 on the bottom out. Boom, here's the last one. Gonna get that out, and I should be able to pull the whole panel off after this. All right, hopefully this is a good angle for me pulling off the actual panel. I don't want to like break anything or mess anything up, but oh yeah. All right, y'all. All right, just got the whole panel off. There's still a lot of cords connected, of course, but I'm gonna try to move these out the way so I can lay the panel down real quick. All right, y'all, now that the door's actually taken off, I unplugged these that went up here. Easy, super easy unplug. But here's the actual sub. You can tell it ain't looking too good, but luckily you can either use a 10 mil or a Phillips to take these bolts off. It's 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, wherever the 4th one is. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and start doing that, and then for this side though, I'll record everything for y'all. But this is just like a short way how to do it. All right, just pulled it out. Yeah, it's really bad actually. Luckily I got the 2 new ones. About to get started on putting those in. I don't know if I have to resize it or what, but I'm gonna try to figure that out now. All right, y'all, I don't know much about speakers, but I got these, but I think I want to get the kickers instead. So if anything, I'll just change these out, but here they are. They don't look too bad, but I don't know in the first place, so I'm gonna replace that and see how it looks and sounds, and then I'll let y'all know at the end of the video. All right, it's freezing out here, but I've been searching for a minute for an Allen key, because apparently to take this stock one off, you need, I guess, 4 bolts to take out, but took it out, found out the LS430. It's looking kind of nice, pretty trash. Can't wait to get my wheels back on it, but. All right, so I got the bolts off, took the casing off, and then apparently there's like this super strong glue. Kind of, but like, it's like prying out. I'm trying to get a video of it. All right, yeah, so there was a super hard glue. I had to like pry around all of it, but I ended up getting it off. Yeah, you can still see it. Super strong. There's the old, and with the new. Let's see how good it fits. Not quite, but pretty well. I can probably bolt it up though. All right, here's a new one. It gave me some wires, so I attached those, tapped into this thing. I don't know what it's called, whatever. But I put it back in that, connect it back to this port, and then put it back in the wall and see if it works when I turn the car on. All right, so that's how it's looking so far. Got it in. I'm about to put these 4 bolts back in, and then get the door, or actually I won't even get the door panel back on, so I can test it first, see how it sounds and everything. And yeah. All right, y'all, so we just picked up the kickers. I don't know if you can. Okay. Just got these. That one's absolutely blown on that side. This one's sounding okay, but I'm gonna switch both of these to the kickers instead of those other ones I have back there. Don't mind the trash. So I'm gonna unbox these, put them on this side first because I need to fix that before anything. And then I'll go back and fix this side, and then, yeah. It shouldn't take long at all. It's already dark. But 5:28 right now. I plan to be done by 6:20. That's the goal. Let's go. All right, y'all, here it is. And then here it is without the, boom. I'm probably gonna leave the cover off if I can. I'm gonna start taking apart that side. I have all the tools. In the beginning of the video, I should have everything that you need for it. So, yep. And again, we're gonna start out with this one right here. All right, y'all. So I took the bottom three out. Took the bottom three out. Took the one up here out. I took the one behind here out, right here, and then the last one's under here. I'm about to pop this up, and then show y'all again. I just do that. Try not to mess up the leather, and then it slides out. And you're just gonna unplug these two ports right here. That's all you're gonna do. And then by just pressing it, and then it slides out. Yeah, you just press these little tabs. Ooh. Slides out like that. And then I'm gonna get that last bolt right here. All right, got it out. And then don't be afraid to, like, if you're doing it yourself, don't be afraid to just pop it out. Cause that's what's gonna happen. It's gonna pop, get loose. But then you have to like pull it and lift it for it to come out like that. And then, yeah, you can access it. Like, oh wait, I'm gonna show you how blown this one is too. Woo. All right, y'all, so I got it in, flipped it around, got all the bolts in. I'll show y'all real quick. Boom, here's with the new one. Oh, that's fire. So basically I cut the, show y'all how I wired it up. Old one's absolutely trashed. Here's the old red and black cord, positive, negative. So I cut the little, I cut this off. I'm stripping them right now, and then I'm gonna connect this to it so I can, like connect these wires together and plug this into these right here, and then everything should be good. Because that's what I did for that side. But my phone's about to die, so if I don't get the rest of this, then I'll probably tell y'all what happened in the inside. All right, y'all, so it looks like I had a little battery left. I got this bolted back in. It's looking pretty nice. Gonna get this, put this door back together, plug everything in, test it, see how it sounds, and then tomorrow, honestly, I'll probably do the back seats because I have two extra 6.5s now. And this was a 6.5-inch speaker. So make sure you use that for the LS430. And yeah, I'm gonna test how it sounds now. All right, y'all, so that's the end of the video. It did end up sounding great. I got all that done. I'm gonna start my part 2 on the video here pretty soon, doing the back speakers, and then I'll probably wire up some subs as well. But I hope the video helps. Like, comment, let me know if you have any questions about anything. I'll respond. But that's all I got for y'all.